Installing a cylinder in the 660 and 760K series locks. Here are the parts you will need. Remove the following from the box: the outside housing, the outside lever. Remove the following from the parts bag: the black plastic cylinder block, the black plastic cylinder cap. You will also need the key, the cylinder, and a small diameter pointed tool. Looking down into the drive tube located on the front of the lock body, notice the position of the drive shaft. The end portion of the shaft forms an X. The larger arms of the X should be in the 10 o'clock and 4 o'clock positions as shown. Insert the key into the cylinder plug. Then, looking at the back end of the cylinder, the X formed should match the positioning of the X form shown previously in the cylinder tube. Insert the cylinder into the drive tube until it engages the drive shaft. Turn the key clockwise until it stops. Then remove the key and the cylinder and set them aside. Using the pointed tool, push in the lever catch on the side of the drive tube so that it is flush with the side. Remove the key from the cylinder and insert the cylinder into the lever. Insert the black plastic block to hold the cylinder in place. Using your finger to hold the black plastic block in place, insert the key into the cylinder and rotate the key clockwise to the 1 o'clock position. Choose either a right-hand or left-hand installation based on your door requirements. This demonstrates a left-hand installation. Slide the handle over the drive tube. Ensure that the cylinder and the drive shaft engage. Rotate the key to a horizontal position and remove the key. To verify that the lever is properly installed, there are two checks that you can do. First, using the pointed tool, insert it into the hole and try to push the lever catch. If the handle does not come off, the installation is correct. The second way is to slowly push the handle down. If it stops only part way, the cylinder is not engaged properly. If, however, the handle travels all the way down as shown, the installation is correct. Finally, install the black plastic cylinder cap as shown. Your lock is now ready for installation on the door. To remove the handle, follow this procedure. Remove the black plastic cap with a small screwdriver or sharp-edged tool. Insert the key and rotate it clockwise as far as it will go. Then, using a pointed tool, depress the lever catch. Pull on the handle to release it. This concludes the demonstration. If you experience any problems, please contact our technical support team at 1-800-906-4526.